In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your tax return with TurboTax Canada. If you're getting ready to submit your Canadian tax return online, TurboTax can make the process much easier by guiding you through each section in a clear and organized way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic flow: accessing TurboTax Canada, entering your income information, claiming common deductions, and submitting your return electronically through a NETFILE. Start by opening your web browser and going to the TurboTax Canada website. Once you're there, sign in to your account or create one if you're using the platform for the first time. Make sure you're on the official site before entering any personal information, since tax filing involves sensitive financial details. After you log in, begin a new tax return or open an existing one if you've already started. Next, move to the income section and enter the information from your tax slips. A common example is your T4, which reports employment income and the tax is already deducted by your employer. You may also need to enter a T5 if you earned investment income such as interest or dividends. As you type in each slip, take a moment to double-check the numbers against the actual forms you received. Even small data entry errors can affect your final return, so accuracy matters here. Once your income has been entered, continue to the deduction section. One of the most common deductions is your RSP contribution. Enter the amount exactly as shown on your RSP contribution receipt and make sure you're applying it to the correct tax year. TurboTax may also help you determine how much of that contribution to claim now, depending on your available deduction room and tax situation. If you're unsure, review the summary carefully before moving on. After that, go through the review stage. This is where TurboTax checks for missing fields, possible errors, or items that may need attention. Read each prompt carefully and correct anything incomplete. It's a good idea to review your personal information, income slips, and deduction amounts one more time before filing. When everything looks correct, proceed to submit your return electronically using NETFILE. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the filing process.